unlocking hidden communication strengths and navigating tough conversations. It's possible. Welcome to Building Bridges, where we discover the power of introversion and how true colors can enhance your communication as a leader. Welcome. In this video, we'll introduce you to True Colors, a tool that makes communication and conflict resolution easier by helping us understand our own personality traits and those of others. True Colors identifies 4 primary personality types: green, analytical, logical, and curious. Greens value knowledge and objective thinking. Blue, compassionate, empathetic, and cooperative. Blues are driven by emotional connections and harmony. Gold, organized, dependable, and practical. Golds value structure and reliability. Orange, energetic, spontaneous, and fun-loving. Oranges bring creativity and excitement. Knowing these colors gives us insight into why people communicate the way they do. Life is about perspective. By recognizing and appreciating each person's motivations and values, we open the door to second chances in communication. True Colors helps us see and understand others' perspectives in ways we might have missed before. When we understand personality types, we're better able to appreciate diverse communication styles. This helps us avoid misunderstandings that often lead to conflict, allowing us to connect on a deeper level. Appreciating different perspectives not only prevents unnecessary conflict, but it fosters empathy. Through improved communication, we can build more meaningful relationships, both personally and professionally. True Colors also fosters self-awareness. Understanding our own personality traits gives us insight into how we impact those around us. Self-awareness is key for any introverted leader looking to connect and inspire others. With a solid understanding of personality styles, we can identify the root causes of our conflicts. It helps us resolve challenges effectively and grow stronger as communicators and leaders. Here are some practical tips to resolve conflicts using True Colors. Identify personality types to understand underlying motivations. Acknowledge our differences to show respect for diverse perspectives. Employ positive communication by framing conversations constructively. Seek common ground to build a foundation for lasting solutions. The impact of True Colors can be transformative. Jimmy said, "Thank you, Larry. I took the assessment with my wife last night, and it changed everything for us." And Sarah shared, "True Colors improved my work and personal relationships." True Colors has real power to make a difference. So, are you ready to transform your communication skills, improve your relationships, and unlock your potential? With True Colors, you can. To explore more about your potential, reach out to me at larry@taterchat.com. Let's work together to bring True Colors to your team. Thank you for watching. True Colors can unlock new possibilities for communication and teamwork. To learn more, explore True Colors for yourself and see the impact it can have. And don't forget to download my free book, Silent Impact: How Introverts Can Lead, Inspire, and Transform the Workplace at the link below. This book offers valuable insights into introverted leadership and the unique strengths introverts bring to the workplace. Silent Impact is designed for introverts looking to lead with confidence. It's filled with strategies to harness the quiet power of introversion to inspire and transform your team. Download it for free and start leading with impact today.